A drone recorded something, a Fastwalker, very fast, flying very fast over Trollstigen in Norway. A drone recorded something. Fastwalker is a term used by the military branches to describe unknown aerial phenomena, what we call UFOs, that move or change directions at high speeds far beyond what current aerospace technology is capable of. Usually these objects are observed in space, and until now it was thought that these objects existed only in space, but it's very possible that these Fastwalker UFOs also exist in our atmosphere. In Norway, something similar to what they record in space was recorded moving at an incredible speed in the Earth's atmosphere, which is not perceptible to the human eye and can only be seen on video in very slow motion. Trollstigen Road is a famous tourist attraction. It's part of the Norwegian country road 63 that connects the town of Andalsnes in Rauma to the village of Valldal in the municipality of Norddal. It's a popular tourist attraction, a road on a steep mountainside. So obviously this should not be there. It's usually found very far out in space, but why is it so close to us? And they're so fast the human eye cannot perceive them. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.